So yeah, it's a little bit frustrating, but I'm learning a lot, and we'll see how it goes.
Well, I'm not happy you have to go through it, but like I said, the only silver lining is you walk away with an education. It may cost you and it may not. Hopefully it doesn't cost you. And
I had a good talk with the attorney, and I think if I get the property, it is worth a lot more than I have in right now, so that's good. And if they go through with the bankruptcy, at least I'll get paid. It'll just be very slowly, and I anticipate them defaulting again if that happens. I just a little bit concerned if they do what you just said, is if they file and they just
yeah,
don't do anything, and just delay it. So
do
when
you,
I last talked with her, it's either they'll file the judgment, or they'll file a bankruptcy, and I'll just get paid through the bankruptcy.
yeah. Do you remember what chapter bankruptcy they filed last time?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay. So they filed for complete debt relief instead of restructure. So, and you just said to me that you were expecting them, you get the payment slowly over time.
Well, the attorney explained to me that if they want to stay in the house, which it seems like they're doing whatever they can to not have to leave the house, that
Mm,
the option, that from what she told me, the only option is 13. So we're anticipating that if they file, they'll file 13, because they don't want to leave the house. And through the pictures that I saw, it's very well kept. It's not like destroyed or anything like that. They did fix up a lot in the home, so they just didn't want to pay their mortgage. So
yeah, well, I can understand that people fight for themselves.
yeah.
Take their interest at heart, and
Yeah, so that's why I'm just looking into 13, just because we assume that they're gonna file that because they do want to stay in the house, and that's the only bankruptcy where they're allowed to stay.
well, yeah, then in that case you'll be bouncing along. But as long as you've got, it sounds like you've got a good chunk of equity there.